Good afternoon, everyone. I am Soni from MBA second semester, and today I am here to give a presentation on the organizational behavior under the guidance of Sujit sir. In this presentation, I am going to cover the topic that is what is the meaning of organizational behavior, what are the challenges, what are the objectives, and what are the elements of the organizational behavior. So let's start the presentation. Starting with the meaning of organizational behavior, as you all can see, it is written that organizational behavior is the study of individuals, groups, that how they act within an organization and how they help the organization to reach its goal and to fulfill in most effectively and efficiently manner. If I talk about the characteristic of the organizational behavior, it is interdisciplinary in nature. It means that it studies about the anthropology, sociology, and psychology. It is also humanistic approach and optimistic approach. Moving ahead, objectives of organizational behavior. So the first objective is understanding behavior. Organizational behavior helps people to understand its behavior. It means that we are able to understand that how they are going to react in the future or whether in the present by knowing its personality, attitudes, and many things. Second point, that is improve job satisfaction. When the manager is able to understand about the employee behavior, they are able to understand that in the which factors, in which working condition they are going to get the job satisfaction. Third point, enhance productivity and performance. Organizational behavior helps to maximize the output as much as it can. Fourth, promote teamwork. It helps to reduce the conflict and helps the other departments to coordinate with each other, and that helps in promoting the teamwork. Fifth point, that is reduce absenteeism and turnover. When the manager is able to understand about the employee, then only it can provide a better working condition, a better things, better motivation, and many things like giving rewards to them, giving recognition, and which helps them to reduce the absenteeism and turnover in the organization. Moving ahead, that is the challenges of organizational behavior. So here it is written five challenges. First one is individual difference. Each and every individual are different in their own way. No one is similar. So it is very much precious and understandable to understand each and every individual accordingly. Second, communication barrier. In organization, many people comes from different places, which can cause conflict between them. Like for an example, in India, people do namaste, but other place there is some other gesture to do that. This can create a communication barrier, whether it is a verbal communication barrier or non-verbal communication barrier. Third one, that is resistance to change. We peoples are so much resistant to change that we don't want to change ourselves with the changing environment, as change is the permanent thing which we have to do in ourselves, but still people are unable to change themselves. These are all the challenges. And the fourth one is maintaining the motivation. As all individuals are different, so the motivation perspective of each individuals can differ. Someone can get motivated through bonus, someone can get motivated through recognition, someone can motivated through the rewards. And the fifth one is coordination between the departments. In organization, various departments are present, like HR department, finance departments, marketing departments, and it is very much important to maintain the coordination between all the departments so that the organization could run effectively and efficiently. Moving ahead, if we are able to understand that how to cope up with those all challenges, then only we are able to get the organization to achieve its goal properly. Now, here is elements of organizational behavior. First one is people. It includes individual and group. As organization in OB or in OB, there are three levels. That is the individual, group, and organization. The first one element I have taken is the people, which includes individual and group. It is very much important to understand each individual and group, because individual and group both are different in their own way. Second one, structure. It means that organizational structure, which include organization culture and hierarchy and roles. Every organization has different perspective, values, rules, and regulation. And in hierarchy and roles, that some organizations follow democratic leadership, some follows laissez-faire, and some follows the autocratic things. Technology, which includes work process impact on behavior. Nowadays technology are increasing a lot. People have to move from handmade things towards the technology, so it is very much important to make the people motivated towards to use the technology which influence the work processes and impact on the behavior of the employer. As we all know that we employees are the resistance to change. External environment. It is one of the major factors which affects the organizational behavior. External factors can anything like political factor, social factor, economical factor, and many things. So this is all about my presentation. Thank you, everyone.